Me and Thor were just sitting there in the middle of the wilderness with no one in sight, waiting to be loaded into the vehicle that was going to take him back home. And the sun was setting, and there I was sitting with this lion in the middle of nowhere, thinking to myself, this you know, life can't get any better. This is just amazing. So that was a really fond memory back then with Thor. I have many fond memories of Thor. A very special lion, held a very special place in my heart.